9.24 suggest the name of a Lewis acid other than anhydrous aluminum chloride which can be used during ethylation of benzene. So here see. So benzene, it is the benzene. So C2H5Cl, it is the ethyl chloride. It is the ethyl chloride. So it is the ethylation, ethyl chloride. So ethyl chloride in the presence of, generally it is used anhydrous AlCl3. So then C2H5 is added in this place, then ethyl benzene is formed. So in this place ethyl benzene, so its name is ethyl benzene. So it is the ethyl benzene, it is the benzene. So generally we used anhydrous AlCl3 because it is a electrophile creator and Lewis acid. Electrophile creator and Lewis acid. So all third group halides are electrophiles according to Lewis theory. So the another compound is, another reagent is anhydrous FeCl3 is also, so the substituent for anhydrous AlCl3 is, another one is anhydrous FeCl3 because it is also Lewis acid because iron contains vacant d orbital. So due to vacant d orbital, FeCl3 is also used as a Lewis acid. That's why the answer is anhydrous FeCl3 is correct answer. Thank you.